Yo, welcome back to another video. We're doing a bike check on my new c100 Pro. So, for the tyres, I'm running WTB thick slicks. Probably one of the best swerving tyres you can buy. Them forks, they are they're very nice. Got Nuke-proof Neutron V2s on this. Got purple wake stem. There's cheap space in there. I've got a hoop spacer down now. I don't know if you can see that. It's got hoop cups for the bearings and that. Got SRAM shifter and derailleur. Got the 2-piston SLX 1-finger brake. Got DMR def grips. Yeah. I have grip tape here because it looks cool. Then I have Shimano Z cranks with a orange hoop chainring. I have purple DMR V6s. I have just some cheap grip releases on Amazon. I've got purple spoke skins. Got FXT seat clamp. I got the Collective Bikes Little Harry seat, which I did purple and orange. At the back. And obviously, yeah, there's a hoop chainring. And then there's the Z derailleur and cassette and everything. So I got a hoop. I got Orgatech. What do you call it? Top cap. Then I got a purple hoop bolt. I'm pretty sure. I think that's everything. Oh yeah, I've got XD bottom bracket. So yeah. If you enjoyed this little bike check on the c100, go follow my Insta. Pretty sure it's in my bio. For an edit tomorrow, hopefully. Peace.